Coley has been one of the strongest forces behind pediatric healthcare in Richmond for a very long time. For more than 40 years, he's advocated for and supported causes that have helped ensure that all of our children get a chance to access a healthy and productive future.
One of the first things Coley told me when we met was that he cares about two things. He cares about the Children's Hospital of Richmond, and he cares about UVA basketball. And he lives that out.
His passion, his fierceness around advocating for kids and families. He's committed to excellence in care. And he's someone who brings out the very best in all of us and sees that greater good.
He started out on the board of the Crippled Children's Hospital. He began to do his work to figure out how could we best keep the work that happens at Brook Road going, strengthen it, use philanthropy to do that, but also with great partnerships.
I can't remember how long ago it was, but one of my friends who was on the board asked me to come on the board of Children's Hospital. It really has evolved. I mean, in the beginning, it really was a rehab hospital. We were running rehab clinics all over the city, actually, and doing some stuff there at Brook Road. But it really was a number of children, and then we got to where we had our long-term care facility, and that kind of appealed to me because it seemed like to me there weren't many places for children to go. So I thought it was just a good thing.
Coley's a visionary. He sees what's possible, and he has made this his mainstay.
He's invested his personal passion, his energy, his time, his resources.
Coley has helped Children's Hospital Foundation raise more than $130 million.
It's meant that we can recruit new professionals. We have 130 new specialists. So children that would have normally had to leave the community to get their care no longer have to do that.
When you look around the professional staff we have, it's just overwhelming what we put together so far.
Really having the recognition of 4 nationally ranked programs for the first time ever in our history with U.S. News & World Report, it speaks to his transformational leadership to kids' health.
This isn't about me, this is about the children. I mean, this is an opportunity to take care of a lot of people. Thank goodness that at VCU we found some people who supported us to get this job done, and we are close. I mean, I'll be glad to take you downtown and show you the building because it's out of the ground now, and it's really nice. So
this has been his vision for many years, and so to see it coming to fruition is incredibly special.
Everything that he's advocated for and pushed us to achieve at the Children's Hospital, it's been because he's been standing right beside the leadership.
I say to people ask me why I do it, I say, well, what we're doing right now is the most important civic act you can do in the city of Richmond. Anybody says there's nothing more important than building a children's hospital.
He is somebody who brings out the best in all of us, and I'm so grateful to be on this journey with him.
This just means so much to us, to the community at Children's Hospital of Richmond and Children's Hospital Foundation. So congratulations, Coley. We're so proud of you, and we don't think anybody deserves this any more than you.
We're so proud to honor him today for his transformational leadership and support. So Coley, thank you so much. And thank you, AFP, for joining us in recognizing and celebrating Coleman Wortham.
I'm very happy that I was able to do something for the hospital because, I just think people need to understand that we all need to be part of this thing. And that participation, I think, will carry on with children and grandchildren. And that's the whole thing. It's taking care of people.